Barbie I Can Be is introducing fun careers to girls. Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a designer on Barbie I Can Be. So we have this training belt with 2 dolphins attached. This one actually goes on Barbie's waist. To attach this, you have to lift Barbie's arm first. And then you just open up this belt and goes right onto Barbie's waist. Click! So we have this hot pink sparkly baby dolphin. She can actually squirt water to Barbie or you. So we have this bucket with fish. After the training, you can feed little fish to dolphin. When you see Barbie's back, you will see these 2 buttons. This will start the dolphins to spin. When you start dialing this up, dolphin's gonna start spinning, so you have to make sure to lock the lever. So you can just simply click this up and then start spinning until you hear little click, and she's ready to go in the water. I'm gonna pop her flippers on. When dolphins are underwater, you're gonna push this button to down and they're gonna start spinning. And you can also put Barbie's arm up. Woo! She's dancing with dolphins. Now we can do it over with this blue hook. Simply plug this in and you can attach this to her arm so it stays up and dolphins go through the hoop. See? Barbie can train the dolphin. You can be anything you want to be.